9 helpful hacks that could save your life one day. As much as we love adventure and doing things that are out of our comfort zone, we always want to be safe. Regardless of how risky you are, or if you love doing things that are dangerous, safety always comes first. There are those who aren't the biggest risk takers and just love being in control of situations. These people want to do risky stuff, but are just too scared of danger. Totally understandable. Some may call them boring and others may call them smart, but whether you are out on vacation or lazing around the house, you always want to make sure that you're safe. That's why there are all sorts of interesting and useful hacks that can help us in certain dire situations. Now, keep watching as we count down 9 hacks that could probably save your life one day. Number 9, never walk downstairs with your hands in your pockets. It sounds a little obvious, but if you trip, you need your hands to save yourself from getting hurt. Taking a tumble down a flight of stairs can be pretty disastrous, so it's always better to be safe rather than be sorry. Number 8, keeping your keys by your bedside table. Keeping your keys by your bedside table may save your life if someone breaks into your home. If someone were to ever break into your home, just press the panic button to set off the alarm in your car. This may scare off the person who's breaking into your home, or it may even spark a neighbor to call the police. Number 7, always follow your instinct. That may seem like an obvious one, but let's be real here. A lot of the times we don't do this. When something feels wrong, your body is telling you that danger is not too far away. A lot of the time, people fail to follow their instincts. This can lead to bad situations. In certain cases, when our natural instincts take over, there's a reason that it happens. If you have a gut feeling about something or your intuition seems to be trying to tell you something, you should always believe it. Use your best judgment when following your gut, and make decisions which are in your best interest. Number 6, self-defense. Knowing a bit of self-defense in general is always helpful. But for those of us who don't know much about fighting, there's one trick that always works if attacked. Go straight for an attacker's groin area. This will stop them right away and will give you a bit of time to get out and run to get help. This might seem like common sense, but all too often in times of stress or panic, our minds can go blank and forget everything we know about defending ourselves. In the event that you ever need to protect yourself, just aim for the groin area. Some other body parts you should aim for if you ever have to defend yourself include the eyes, ears, nose, knees, and throat. So what do you think of these hacks so far? Keep watching for some helpful hacks that may end up saving your life one day. And did you know that there's a way to save yourself from a riptide if you're ever caught in one? Well, there is one helpful hack out there that can potentially save your life if you're caught in one. Stay tuned until the very end to find out how. Number 5, staying safe in a cab or an Uber. Generally, people feel pretty safe driving in a cab, but of course, there's always that possibility that something can go wrong. If you find that your driver is acting a little strange, quickly make a call to someone telling them your location. That way the driver knows you have a phone, and people know your whereabouts. With the massive and growing popularity of Uber and other ride-sharing apps, the possibility of getting in a car with a dangerous person is all too real. So that is why you should always take care to be safe when entering a cab or an Uber. If you're about to enter an Uber, always ask the driver first to verify that they are an Uber driver. And if they say they are, then ask them to confirm your name and the address you're going to. Number 4, walking in a parking lot alone at night. If you're going to a parking lot alone at night, walk with your keys in your hand. That way you can get into the vehicle quickly and drive off. Never stand by your car rummaging through your purse or pockets. If there's a predator or someone dangerous around, this gives them time to creep up on you unexpectedly and attack you. So always have your keys in your hand before you enter the parking lot. Number 3, texting and walking. We're all probably guilty of walking and texting at the same time. Don't do this when you're walking in a street. You become an easy target. Our phones are pretty distracting, but when you're walking down the street, just put it away. You don't want to risk getting hit by a car. You could also potentially make a car swerve into other cars or traffic, which can cause a car accident. So just pay attention to what you're doing and save the phone use for later. The same can be said for texting and driving. Distracted driving is extremely dangerous. When we're driving, it's extremely important for us to have all of our focus and attention on the road. Distracted driving can lead to car crashes and accidents, which can be potentially fatal. So just put the phone down while you're driving and avoid putting your life as well as other people's lives at risk. Number 2, being caught in a burning building. If you ever find yourself trapped in a burning building, don't run out. Get down to the floor and start crawling. According to Kids Health, there's more oxygen down there and you won't pass out. And of course, never ever take the elevators if you are in a burning building. Elevators can malfunction when there's a fire, and the last thing you want to have happen is to get stuck in an elevator when there's a fire. You should also always follow instructions that the fire department gives you if you're trapped in a burning building. Always do what you can to keep yourself safe. Number 1, always have an emergency kit in your car. In the event that you ever find yourself in trouble on the road, if you blow a tire and are stranded on the side of the road, for example, always have an emergency safety kit in your car. An emergency safety kit contains jumper cables, a blanket, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and more to help you in the event that you are stranded. You can purchase an emergency kit at any hardware or auto store. You won't regret the purchase, especially if your car breaks down in the middle of the winter. And here's another roadside tip. Never pick up a hitchhiker. Okay, this seems like common sense, doesn't it? You'd be surprised. If you've seen enough horror movies, you probably know that it's never a good idea to pick up a hitchhiker. Well, if you weren't aware of that, you should never, ever pick up a hitchhiker. Not only do you not know who you're picking up, but you could also be potentially putting your life in danger. If you see a hitchhiker on the road, just drive past them. You may be tempted to stop and ask them if they need help, but don't. You never know what people can do. It is best to keep your own safety in mind. Now that we've counted down the top 9 hacks that can potentially save your life one day, here's how to escape a riptide if you're ever caught in one. This could potentially save your life if you ever found yourself caught in a riptide. Swimming in a riptide. Swimming in the ocean can generally be dangerous, especially if you're swimming in a riptide. Riptides are channels of water which are long and narrow. They move from the shore to the sea and can sweep you away with them. They are very dangerous and can be potentially fatal. To escape a riptide, do not swim against it. Instead, swim parallel to the shore or perpendicular to the riptide in either direction. If you don't have the energy or swimming skills, you can float on your back and let the current take you. Once the rip current dissipates, you can signal to a lifeguard that you need help, or then swim parallel to the shore once the force tapers off. What do you think of these hacks? Do you know any potentially life-saving hacks that weren't in this video? Let us know about them in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching!